Dubbing AI is an innovative tool that leverages artificial intelligence to transform the landscape of audio translation and voice modulation. Designed for content creators, educators, and professionals, it offers a seamless experience in translating audio content while preserving the speaker's unique vocal characteristics. One of the standout features of dubbing AI is its ability to maintain the authenticity of the speaker's voice during translation. By analyzing elements such as tone, pitch, and cadence, the tool ensures that translated audio retains the natural essence of the original speech, making cross-lingual communication more engaging and personal. Users have praised dubbing AI for its user-friendly interface and efficiency. The intuitive design simplifies the dubbing process, allowing users to upload videos, select target languages, and receive translated content with minimal effort. This ease of use has been highlighted by content creators who have successfully expanded their reach by translating videos and podcasts into multiple languages. However, some users have noted areas for improvement. For instance, the availability of certain accents and local pronunciations is limited, which can affect the naturalness of translations in specific languages. Additionally, while the AI-generated voices are generally accurate, there are instances where the output may sound less convincing compared to professional human dubbing. In summary, dubbing AI represents a significant advancement in AI-driven audio translation and voice modulation. Its ability to preserve the speaker's voice and its user-friendly platform make it a valuable tool for those seeking to overcome language barriers in their content. While there are areas that could benefit from further refinement, the overall functionality and potential of dubbing AI are commendable.